I just installed about 95% almost done the white seats, but they look super stunning. I just want to share that with you. Also installed the screen protector for the ventilation, for the air vent. And just want to show you guys this before my camera cuts out again. So here we go. Let me go and pop the hood. I put my car covering usually in the hood. So, but there it is. You can see it from the layer. I'll just peel this back for you guys. That way you guys can see the whole thing. Like I said, it's plug and play. See, they didn't have this before. You guys never knew this. That it's just a little tape there. You just kind of lay it on there. Goes all the way to the very back. Helps protect, because normally it's just a straight hole, and these are the only thing that's protecting the leaves from going in. So most people say they never caught any leaves on there, but it's just a little extra security. I wish they made a full screen, like a window screen. That way it can just like cover everything and still have the same airflow. But that's okay. You see here, it's just like Legos. It just snaps underneath right there. So there's little holes in spot. That's what I like about Tesla. They just make things snappable. There we go. Let's see if there's any more on here. Little rippets. And the windshield washer, I never put some in there because I always keep my... I guess I not only sealed and shined this with turtle wax, but I also put some Garrett's, what do you call that? I guess water repellent. So it makes water repellent very nice. But these seats are amazing quality. Look how stunning they look. The white on white. Oh man, I'm not finished yet. I'm still working on the back. It was back breaking. I had to wear my belt. So there we go. So this part I still have to put in. So I took some time to read up on it a little bit more. There is a video he shows how to put it on. I think I've already attached electrical power to this one. I wish I could show it to you. I'm going to take this off so you can see the power bank. There we go. There's a power cord that this is connected to. I just got to snap that off. There we go. It's right here. There we go. That's, see, it's just everything just snaps off very easily. I'll get to the other side. We'll snap that one off as well. Yeah, but so far the material is great. Look how thick it is. This is like the thick level layers there. They say it's 4 layers of some sort. So I'm not sure if it's, I think it's Tesla friendly. There's another cable here. I think these are to power the heating seats. It's funny because if you don't actually get the premium interior, even though they hardwire everything for the heat seats, which they let me try out, they'll deactivate it. So everything's software updated and deactivated. So it's kind of crazy what Tesla does. Oh, trying to pull this guy out with one hand while holding the camera. I can do it. Come on. I know this is not supposed to be a Tesla channel, but I figure I'd just share you guys a little bit what I'm up to. My scooter's still out there in the back. It's winter time, so you definitely need a way to commute. Come on. Oh, maybe. Oh, I got you. It's pulled the other way, perhaps. All right, let's see here. I'll get this guy here. Capture everything on camera like I always do. Or maybe it is pulled from the back here. Alright, so let's do this way. It can't be pulled from the back because this wire needs to come out with the seat. So it is pulled from this way, but it's just so tight in there, I guess. There we go. Kind of see the little latch here. You have to push down on this and it comes out. But I want to show you this. This is the battery area here. This is where Tesla keeps their battery. Let's see it nice and clean here. And then also it latches right here too. There's 2 front that latches right here. You have to unhook from this hook. So if you guys want to, you have to unlatch this first. And then so you can see everything here is made to be able to hand install everything. Everything else is built by the robot. So including these batteries. Is that crazy? It's very clean, isn't it? I think they made it like the plaid mode. Tesla's Model S is coming with the plaid mode. And they were able to take out some seats so they can actually get a little bit more less weight. But it's center balance, they say. So just got to feed that properly in there, get this guy taken care of. I'm not sure why I removed that. Still got to get this one area here. It needs to be dealt with. It's a little loose. So see my trunk space here. quite a bit of trunk space. You could put the seat down. I wish they made the Velcro. See how it straps back there? It looks kind of tacky to me. I wish they made it black color, the Velcro, instead of that color. But yeah, the thing is, I have it tied down already. Let's see that? I wish they made it like, you know, non-black. I mean non-white. That part anyway, so it blends in. So it just Velcros on there. Let's see if I can put this down. See that right there? I wish they made this black. There was no need for it to be continued on white, but I guess that's just something that they have available. Okay, so anyway, most of the time it'll be up like this and it won't look too bad. But yeah, I got to put these side little pillars here. These are probably the challenging part I was telling you about. So you can see here, there's one piece. I consider this, I guess, 2 pieces. You separate 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in the bottom, 8, 9. So this is probably 9 pieces. If you count these all jointed together, if you didn't count joined together, you can consider this one the 10th piece. But if these are jointed, you consider one big whole piece. So that is 9 pieces. So there's no misguidance there. What else I want to share? Oh yeah, I was going to tell you about, remember last time I forgot to capture it. Do you remember that little like exposed glue right here? Look, they actually pulled the carpet over, or whatever they did, they made this cover it up now, so it's nice and clean here. See if I get better lighting here. See that? So there's no more glue stain. So they took care of every little spaticle I could think of. I really believe that they don't have to really repaint this whole door, just this one little spaticle. There you go. You can see it much better now in this kind of dim light. It's the size of a golf ball that was here last time. It was actually in the lower portion. Or maybe this is still it. Yeah, maybe they do need to repaint this whole door. If this is still hardened contaminant. Oh no, see, it's coming off. So there was a contaminant just like this guy right here. And it was lowered right here. So if they were able to remove this guy out and make sure that the clear coat looked like it came back on, or whatever they did, but they polished it, then they could probably do the same thing to this guy. So see, the thing about with Tesla is there's different people that work on your car. There's not that one person. So one person takes your order, the next person works on your car, another person hands the keys over. It's just like many people.